Hey, good morning. It's Betty. I'm gonna go ahead and paint my plaque that my husband made for me today, that I was standing on the other day, and I decided that I'm going to paint the letters red, and I'm gonna stain it. I'll run down. I haven't picked out a stain yet, but I'll go down there and see what looks good, or what I think will look good on it, and see how it turns out. So come on, let's get busy. So what do you think about it? Turned out pretty good. I like it. Can't wait for it to dry. I'd like to hold it up one more time and show you, but it's wet. I'm gonna leave it laying down there. There's a router bit called a keyhole, and it will somehow drill a hole in the back of it that makes the little nail hole that kind of goes up so you can hang it on the wall without it falling off. Might get one of those, or might just put a picture hanger on the back or something. We'll see. But thanks for watching. You all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.